I get another gbege. Police matter don't come again. Oh, this one happened for Mozambique. 2 police trainers don't impregnate 15 women. Wahala oh, e plenty. If I dey talk say I no like police, una go dey wonder why. How I no go talk about police people? See wetin they do. Impregnate 15 oh, 2 men. Abeg, wait, why? Your this thing na multi-socket. You dey multitask as you dey, because I no understand. They send them, they go train these women oh. They send them train the women. Now they don't shift the training to another training. They can't train their gundus join. These 2 policemen, they be the real footballers. Ronaldo, they learn work. All those footballers wey una know, they learn. These ones na them they score. Mozambique men they shoot oh more. Be like say na there I go because you know na joke and a joke. I mean, don't take it serious. But no, on a serious note, my people, no wonder now they understand some kind things. I don't discover one secret. Maybe now this thing they do when they call, they say, oh, police is thieves are here. Oh, they busy, they knock the windows. Now we don't see them. Boko Haram don't come again. Oh, this time around now full force, 100%, my people. And they should say many of them don't hear them, but if you never hear them, it don't happen for Nigeria. Say people where normal people where they farm now, they farmland, they do their work. Now so Boko Haram just appear full force. Now so they start a slaughter. Say no be normal killing where they think they cut people neck. Yes, and as they talk to now like this, it happens say in 110 people don't pay me. Now matter don't come again. The defense headquarters deny the report where United Nations bring. Yes, because United Nations don't talk saying 110 people. So now General John Eneche, this your name, sir. No be here. He don't come outside now. Can't talk him. He can't talk say now. Say they don't count the people. Say no be 110. Say now only 43 people. I beg, give one statement when you make in addition into say we are hoping that we don't get beyond that. And they can't relax. Make una hear that thing. Only 43 slaughtered. Only see as they talking like saying na beans. If I say some people no get sense now, not be say they no get, I just they talk. If I say they no get sense now, I go talk say Madam Aproko no get respect, Madam Aproko they disrespect elders. But see wetin person open mouth for this in age talk. I will put this man picture. Oga Alpha, you know say by now you suppose don't resign. Abi you know. Leave that because it be like say you don't know what to do. So allow people wey sabi work come sit down for that place. I don't know what you still they do for that seat. Imagine you are hoping it doesn't get beyond that. Person we suppose open mouth talk say okay oh, make we try save lives, or okay oh, make we look for preventive future occurrence so that no go happen again for future. You come outside say he hopes. That means you still dey expect more, but make it no be this one. Now wetin they talk? Wetin they do all these people wey dey uniform? Wetin they work on now? Waiting. Because you even get mind argue about numbers. Even if na one person, no be human being. Now you are concerned about 43. 43 now that the main important thing wey dey happen here. Now all the army, police people, una no go come outside oh. Una dey hear Boko Haram, una no go come outside come show una talent. Na person wey wear short thing, person wey no dey greet, and person wey dey harass innocent. Na that one una eye go come. Una know say una wear uniform. Come outside now. You dey hear Boko Haram, come show yourself. Now innocent people una go just dey harass anyhow.